Teachers are able to temporarily join classroom displays together using Vivi's room combining feature. This is a great tool to use when teaching content to multiple classes or when using flexible learning spaces. To use this feature, log into the Vivi app. On the Rooms page, select Combine Rooms at the bottom of the list of available rooms. Choose up to 10 rooms in the same location, then click Combine. A pop-up will appear that will allow you to rename the room combination, then select Confirm. The pop-up will also remind you that starting a room combination will disrupt anyone currently sharing to the displays. The Vivi devices will then need to do a soft restart to join them together. This generally takes less than a minute. Once combined, you will automatically be connected to the combined room. To present in a combined room, select Share Screen from the Vivi app. A bar will then appear at the bottom of the app, allowing you to select which displays to share to. To know what number display each room is, look at the information bar on the classroom display. Once sharing, the drop-down in the lower toolbar on the home page can be used to control individual displays. To finish sharing, use either the Stop button in the toolbar or the Stop All button. Once combined rooms are no longer required, click on the Uncombined Rooms button next to the room name on the room's homepage. The Vivi devices will then need to do a soft restart to uncombine. Once completed, you will be able to connect to individual rooms.